Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to create a virtual host setup in a WAMP server. It is a very IMP thing for our web design. Okay, nowadays all websites are created by the using AI. Okay, all web developers are now using AI, but there is one problem. We create a one folder. Suppose I go to the here WAMP server. Okay, I go to this PC and WAMP server, and here we find WAMP 64 and go to the www folder, and here we find our folder. Okay, and we create a website. Suppose I create this website, and when I go to the website, it goes to the www or localhost, then our folder name, and we upload that files to our websites, then that's give a problem. And the solution is very simple. We goes to the virtual setup or the virtual host on our WAMP server, and that virtual host, it's 110% work with our website. Okay, suppose this is my website, this is discover and then the index page. Okay, now in our WAMP server, it looks like this: discover.local or the discover.com, discoverabhi.com. discoverabhi.com is my website. Okay, then you can create that virtual host. This is our goal for this video. This is my folder localhost, then the abhijit is the folder, and then index.php, and I want to create localhost.abhijit, or you can create abhijit.com or any .com that you want. Okay, or .in or any name that you want. Okay, so here is my www and here is my folder. Okay, now I goes to my browser, goes to your browser and make sure WAMP server is running. Make sure WAMP server is running, properly running and green. Then go to the here plus icon and create an go to the new tab, and here type localhost. Only type localhost. Okay, and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds, and here we find add a virtual host. Click on add a virtual host. Okay, now here we find three things: name of the virtual host, no space, name of the virtual host, no space. Here add any name, add your website name or any name that you want. I want to give my abhijit.local. You can give any name, example as test abhijit, test anything, or any name that you like, or .com, .in, any name that you want. Next is the path. Go to the WAMP server. So I go to this PC, my C drive, my WAMP server. Here's my WAMP server 64 and www folder. Here is my folder. This is my folder. Go to your folder and copy this file. Click at here and copy this C WAMP 64 www, then your folder name. Right click on it, copy it or Ctrl C and paste it at here, Ctrl V. Okay, and here we find it is on defaulting. Go with the default. Go with the default PHP. If you want to change, then change it. And if you want your IP address 127.120.1. or anything, then you can add this. I not give any IP address, and I click on here and use this abhijit.local. Okay, then I click on this start connection and modification of the virtual host. It's modify this page, Apache virtual host and your host file, and then it's restart your WAMP server. So I click on this thing. Okay, now go to the here we find one arrow. Click at here and go to the WAMP server and exit from here. Okay, and after that go to after it's properly close, go to the start and open WAMP server as an administrator. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, now go to the start, then go to the WAMP server or type WAMP server, right click on it and open run as administrator. Run as administrator is very IMP. Click on the yes. Now WAMP server is starting. Wait for a few seconds. Now it is green. Go to the here, right click on it, go to the here, right click on it, and not a right click, left click, and go to the your host and at this point if you find your newly add name, that means that is working. Okay, now I go to the Abhijit local. Okay, I go to the new tab, type abhijit.local and hit enter, and that's all. Our page is appear on our screen. That means our virtual host for the our WAMP server is 110% working on our PC or laptop in Mac, Linux or the Windows. It's work for the all things. And if these all things are not working, then go to the any AI that you're using, and ask for the create that's kind of the file or the virtual host on your WAMP server. You can ask for the AI also for this purpose. Okay, and that's all. Our virtual hosting is working in our PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.